We all know that we can't insert or fit a pen drive into a mobile device, and for that we use external device which we call OTG, on the go. OTG acts as an adapter which helps us to read or write data from pen drive. In this tutorial, we will check how to register a person as a taxi driver using adapter design pattern. Adapter pattern is a type of structural design pattern. Let's jump into code and check how we can implement adapter design pattern. We will create a register class and have our own person object. We will create the person object with attributes like car number, license number, and bank account. Auto-generate the toString and getter and setter for all the fields. In register class, we will set the respective values. Person.set car number, a random number, person.set license number, person.set bank account, which is a string with account number, then bank name, IFSC code, and then city, all separated by comma. But what actually we want is to map bank account with a bank account object. We will create a driver interface and have method like get car number, get license number, get bank account, which is of type bank account. Oops, I have missed the parenthesis. Let's create a bank account class. Bank account has account number, bank name, IFSC code, and city name. Let's generate the toString. And auto-generate getter and setter method. Now comes the actual class which will be used during registration. So we will have car number of type string, license number of type integer. Person was having it as string, and bank account of type bank account instead of string. We need to find some way to fit person into taxi driver. Taxi driver class implements driver interface. Let's generate setter and getter method. Now from register class we will convert person details to driver details. And for that we will use driver adapter and pass person object. We will create a class driver adapter with parameterized constructor. And set person to this person. And then call adapt data function to convert the data to a taxi driver object. We will extend taxi driver class to avoid rewriting the setter and getter method. Simply we can use this dot set car number and it will be of type taxi driver, or we can say as type driver. Car number for taxi driver and person are string type, so we don't get any error. Set driver license number, and for that we need to get the integer value of person license number, which is string. Bank account is not straightforward. For that we will use split using delimiter comma and assign the array to person bank account. Next we will create a bank account object and refer it as driver bank account and set the account number, second is the bank name, array value 1, third is the IFSC, person bank account, array value 2, and last we have city name. Let's print the driver details. Car number, driver.get car number, license number, driver.get license number, bank name, driver.get bank account dot get bank name. And last but not the least, we will console the bank object. Let's run it. Though car and license number are printed successfully, but there is a null pointer exception on line 12. Let's debug it and check. All the things are set properly. Okay, my bad. I forgot to set this .bank account. Rerun it. Bank name and bank details are printed successfully. This is a simple example to understand how adapter design pattern works. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.